Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your instructor today and I will discuss the scenario which is securing of diesel engine for overhauling. For the subject, power plant diesel. So, marine engineering students who are taking this subject, power plant diesel, will undergo practical assessment using engine room simulator. So, Kongsberg engine room simulator. And the students will perform the scenario which is securing of diesel engine for overhauling. Now, these are listed here, the requirements to be performed by the student. So I will not read this one, but when you are watching this video, studying this video, you have to read this one. So proceed to the next. So for example here, the first requirements of the students, performance criteria and performance standards. Performance criteria, change over to diesel fuel. The students must be able to change over the fuel valve to diesel fuel. So that is number 1. So you have here number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. So all of those mentioned and listed requirements should be performed by the students taking up the or undergo the assessment, practical assessment. So we have here the results. After the assessment, the result will be advised directly by the assessor. So we have here the grade, total marks, pending marks, failing marks. Total marks 100 points or 100%. Pending marks 100 points or 100%. Failing marks below 100 points or 100%. So you should what we call all of these requirements, you should have all correct answers because you are required to pass in 100% for securing, because you are not allowed to make mistake, because securing the diesel engine must be correct for overhauling, otherwise it can be a cause of accident or damage, accident to personnel and damage of the equipment or the engine. So must be 100% correct. Simulator configuration. Simulation scenario has been programmed with the following system assessment configuration: positive scoring assessment method, all modules enabled. So let us proceed. So we have here, you have the first requirements that you have to change over from fuel oil to diesel oil. So here you check the temperature. Here is 119. So check the temperature. So you have to click this change over valve, the three-way valve. So click this one. So right click. So it will change over to DO. So your next requirements, you have to plus. So let the engine running for around 20 minutes to plus 20 to 30 minutes. So until the temperature will be going down up to 50 or up to 40, 30 like that. So it is already diesel. So after that, after flushing the second generator, your second requirements. So when it is going down to around 35, so it is already plus. Around 50 already plus. So that is number 1 first requirements. Number 2, that is number 2. So as you can see here, plus with DO already 51. So already plus with DO. And next requirement is number 3, secure remote operation of generator. So you have to secure remote operation of generator. So just read all I mark with circle that items or parts of this machinery should be checked, or should be as per requirements. You have to change over and plus your engine with diesel. So next, secure remote operation of generator. The student must be set to generator non-automatic and no priority setting for eventual starting. So to avoid accidental starting, so you have to click this priority and click auto. So secure this one. So after that, you have to click the 076 button. So you will go there. So after clicking this one will disappear. You see, the auto will disappear, and the priority also click. So this one become black. You see, so this one will disappear. So you have to go to 076 to put into local, so that this ready, you see, this ready will disappear. So click this 076. So when you click that 076 button, this one, look at my cursor. You have to transfer to local. This one. So it was in remote. So click local. So now in local. So you come back there. It is already gone. The ready. Something like this. So now is the ready is gone. So next requirements. Your next requirements: secure engine control. Must be able to set running handle to local. So you already put into local. So this one, number 4. Number 5, secure voltage controller. The student must be able to secure the voltage controller. So voltage controller, you have to go to click this power directory. When you click that power directory, by the way, you have to remove first the load. So you still have load here. So you put back this one in remote, and you have to remove the load. So remove this load. As you can see here, there is still load. So you put you remove this load. So I will show you how to remove this load. So this one. So as you can see here, DG1, and we go to DG2. There is load 295 decimal 5. Oh, this is 295. So you remove this load. So yes, just decrease this governor, decrease, click and stop until it will arrive to around 50. So do not put in 0 or less than 0, because the reverse power relay will be activated. So after that, you can see the load like this, 64. So you have to disconnect the breaker. Disconnect the breaker. So click disconnect the breaker. So as you can see here, your load is transferring to number 1. So you have no load in the number 2. So you have to transfer. You have to disconnect the breaker. So disconnect the breaker. When you disconnect the breaker, your load will transfer to DG1. So I show you in the later on. I will explain. I just continue here. So we'll transfer to number 1, your load. So now you can put your engine into local. So you can put now your engine digit 2 into local. So now in local. Next, your next requirements, you have to secure the voltage controller. The student must be able to secure the voltage controller. So voltage controller, you have to click panel directory and look the electric power plant. So this window will appear. So this is voltage controller. So you have to switch off this one. So just click to switch off. So switch off this voltage controller. So after you switch off that voltage controller, this will become black, you see. So already switch off. So after switching off the voltage controller, you have to secure the fuel oil system. So remember all guys, all that I marked red circle, you have to click that one. Just follow this video tutorial. So you have to secure your fuel oil system. So click that process directory and look for fuel oil system. Then now you have to go to first to your diesel generator number 2. So as you can see here, this is running in diesel. So you have to go to secure the bulb, fuel oil filter bulb, and shutter bulb. But you cannot just close this bulb, this one. So I forgot to mark here. So here I mark. So you cannot just close this one. You have to stop first your generator. So you have to stop. So click this stop here. It is covered here. No, the remark, but there is stop here. So just click that stop. So when you click that stop, your engine already will stop. So now, as you can see here, your engine is already stopped. So your RPM, it is covered here, no? So you can see there is no RPM anymore, but it is covered with the label. So you can see that everything here like this, the indication is stop. So as you can see here, so now no running indication, low oil pump is stop, everything is stop. You see, this is stop because black. You see, so this is already stop. So when you already stop, you have to secure fuel oil curtail bulb. So close this one. Just close this one. Right click. So this will become black. And then shut off bulb. So this one, click this one. Click. You click this one. So you have to close. Or otherwise, you click this 116 button and you will close to the other page, which is you can see all the set of valve, but you can just right click this one to close. So after that, your next requirements is secure start air system. The student must be able to secure the starting air from the compressed air system to prevent accidental starting. So you will go to the starting air. So you can press this process overview, or else you press also this process directory and then look for starting air system. But here you can see directly the process directory, the starting air system. So this is your starting air system. So you have to close this valve to DG2. So you have to close this one. So secure starting air system. So right click this valve to close. So right click this valve to close. This one, look at my cursor. So next, your next requirement, secure the seawater system. The student must be able to secure the valve to the seawater cooler. So you can click process directory, or you can click process overview. So you can click also this button, this number button here, 001, you can click. So you will be jump into the picture directory of seawater system. So seawater system, this is your seawater system. So the student must be able to secure the valve to seawater cooler. So this one, I encircle here, you have to right click to close. So when already black, that is already closed. So it is still green, that is open. So right click this one to close. So your next requirements, secure low oil system and drain some tank. So the student must be able to secure the following: DG LO filters, DG priming pump, and control breaker. The student must be able to drain the sump tank to its lowest level. So here. So you have to secure this low oil system. So now you have to, this one is auto, you have to switch it into local. So click manual, and then first you have to stop this one. So stop this by right clicking this one will stop. So then you have to close the inlet low oil inlet valve to filter. So look at my cursor, close this one. And then you have to drain the level of your sump tank, this one, drain. So open this drain valve. So left click, open this drain valve, and then left click this low oil pre-lubricating pump, and it will be drained here to sludge tank. So after draining, you should have 0 reading here, no more low oil in the sump tank. So you can see here, this is already 0, so no more level. So you can right click this pump, low oil pre-lubricating pump, right click to stop, and then close this valve, the drain valve close. So after that, your next requirements, you have to secure your preheater. So the student must be able to secure the automatic control and switch. So preheater. So secure this preheater. So you click this manual and click this off. So when you click that one, this one will appear. So now in manual, now in off position. So be sure, because you, after securing the preheater, so this is your last requirement, secure the preheater. So be sure the low oil pre-lubricating pump is in manual and your preheater is in manual and off. So that is your last requirements. So your engine now is, or your Digito, or your diesel engine now is ready for overhauling. So I demonstrate here all the PowerPoint I made in order for you to guide, in order for you to understand. So watch the whole video. So the second part of this video, which is I merged in this particular PowerPoint. So I explain I run the actual simulator, then I demonstrate there how to secure the diesel engine for overhauling. So please watch this whole video, including the actual engine room simulator, which is I demonstrate on how to secure the diesel engine for overhauling. So please continue watching until this video, until the end of this video, and you have to take your notes so that you can remember during the assessment. So please watch the video now, the actual engine room simulator. So please continue watch this tutorial video. Now let us discuss the using the actual engine room simulator. We'll discuss the scenario, which is securing of diesel engine for overhauling. So we will overhaul the DG number 2. So your first requirements, you have to change over to diesel fuel. So from fuel oil to diesel oil. So the student must be able to change over the fuel supply valve to diesel fuel. So as you can see here, your Digito is running. So you have to secure. You have to secure so that to prepare for overhauling. So now, so this is running with fuel oil. As you can see here, the three-way valve is illuminated fuel oil, and as you can see here, the what we call the temperature is 119. So that is still fuel oil. So you have to change over. So you have to close the steam supply of this fuel oil system. So here we will proceed to the steam supply. So fuel oil system. So here this is fuel oil heater, but this is also used both generator. So as you can see here, the valve is open to number 1 DG1 and DG2. So we don't need to close the stem because this stem is used in both number 1 and 2. So we only change over. So now we will proceed to number 2. Click this. So I click back. So I'll show you again, click this DG2. So this number here, button. So this will be going to picture directory DG2. So now you have to flash this one. So first, now you have to change over. So click this one. So right click. So look at my cursor, always look at my cursor. So click this one, right click. So now it's already changed over to diesel. So look at the pressure. So you have to what we call check the temperature. You see, fuel temperature. So we'll check how much load we have. So we have a lot of load, so we need to later on we need to start some load stop to reduce the load of the generator. So I think I will change this one because there's a lot of now the load is okay, it's okay. So we'll come back to Digito. So now it is already in diesel what we call diesel oil. So when you change over here, this one also become automatic. Here you see. So also change over the return. So return to diesel oil service tank. See, it's returning to. Otherwise, if this is not working in automatic, so you have to change over to diesel the return. So now no need to click because now it's already in diesel. So your next requirements, run the generator with DO. So the student must be able to run with diesel oil for flushing of the system, fuel oil system. So here, as you can see, this is already flush with DO because now the temperature is 34, 34.66. So this is already flush. So next requirements, number 3, secure remote operation of generator. So the student must be able to set to non-automatic and no priority setting for overhauling starting. Yes, overhaul starting. So you have to go to panel directory. So now it's already running in diesel. See the temperature. So you have to go to power chip, generator control. So we are here now. So we remove this load. So we overhaul DG number 2. So we remove this load. So we click priority 2. So we switch off. And we switch off the what we call the automatic. So this is now automatic. So we will transfer the load here to DG1. We will transfer. So we transfer the load. So click panel directory and then go to DG2. So this is DG2. So we take off this load. We remove this load. But you cannot remove this load because now it's still 292 kilowatt. So we have to transfer this load to number 1. So decrease governor. So just slowly. Then click again. Then decrease. Click again. So not too much. Maybe power. No. So do not when you click, then click again to stop, because your servo motor in your governor is continuously running. So sometimes it will burn the motor, but when you continuously press the governor controller, decrease and increase, this will for example, you decrease very fast. So now it's decreasing. So you have to increase little bit. Now stop, because the reverse power relay will activate. It's running. So I'll check the load here in the synchronizing. I will put this. So we'll check the load of DG2, DG1. So you have 500 kilowatt, 512. So actually this engine can, the simulator is it can be running the load up to 600 or more, 600 kilowatt or more. So now we will take off the load of the number 2. So we'll go to number 2. So do not put in 0 or less than 0, because the reverse power relay will activate. So we'll take off the load now. So disconnect here, circuit breaker. So I will disconnect. So now it's disconnected. So we'll go back to synchronizing. Now here in the power chip generator control. So your load here is around 600 kilowatt. We will see number 1. So 576, 581. Thank you. So we will go to again to power chip generator control. So now is 0. So your next requirements is secure remote operation of generators. So the unit must be able to set to none, automatic, and no priority setting for overhauling. So now we will proceed to now we are here already. So we'll proceed to the secure the engine control. The student must be able to set the running handle to local. So we'll proceed to DG2. So click the 076 button. So you will put into local. Now it's in remote, so put into local. Now put into local. So now already in local. So your next requirements secure voltage controller. The student must be able to secure the voltage controller. So you can click this process overview. So you can click this electrical system now. So there is another way also. You can also click this process directory. So this is the same. And you can click Digito. No, electric power plant. So the same. So it is here secure the voltage controller. So you have to off the voltage controller too. So switch off this one. Look at my cursor. So left click, switch off. So now a switch off. As you can see, it is already black. So this is already switched off. So next requirements, number 6, secure fuel oil system. The student must be able to secure the following: fuel oil filters, fuel oil filter bulbs, and set of bulbs. So you have to go to Digito. So click process overview. So click Digito. So look at my cursor always. So it is here. So this is still running. So you cannot just close the bulb, the inlet bulb, if it is running. So you have to stop this generator. So as you can see here, this lobe oil pump is running because this is coupled to the engine. So it will be this what we call the lobe oil pre-lubricating lobe oil pump will be running automatically. So we'll stop the generator. So now stop. So as you can see, the RPM is going down. So as you can see, pre-lubricating oil pump is running. When lowering the pressure of the lobe oil, this one will run. So now your generator is stopped. Already stopped. So it is here, you have to close the fuel oil filters, filter bulbs, and set of bulbs. So this is your fuel oil filter. So right click this one. Look at my cursor. Right click. So now it's closed. And set of bulb. So if you click this set of bulb, this is set of bulb, you see. As you can see here, when I put my cursor here, there is written here Digito set of bulb. So this is set of bulb. So if you close that one, so just click this 116 button. 116. So now. So 116 button. So now Digito. So this is Digito. So now it's not yet indicated switch off. So click back. Click back. So set off this. So you have to close this set of bulb. Digito set of bulb. Depo set of bulb. So left click. Right click. Sorry. Right click. Now it's closed. So come back there. So as you can see here, already shut off. This is already shut off. So you have to acknowledge the alarm. Now it is the alarm. This is shut off. So just left click that one. So click alarm silence. So click back. So now your shut off valve is closed and your fuel inlet valve to filter is closed. So you have next requirements. Secure start air system. Number 7 requirement. Secure start air system. The student must be able to secure the starting air from the compressed air system to prevent accidental starting. So, starting air system. So, you will go to starting air system. So, you can click process overview. And as you can see here, start air. You can read. You can click also process overview, process directory. This is the same. So, you have here also starting air system. So, you will go there. As you can see here, this is starting air system. You can click also process overview. This is also the same. So, starting air system, this one. So, as you can see, this is the same. So, you have to close the air to digito. So, this one, as you can see here, this is digito. So, right-click this bulb. So, you already right-click. So, you have alarm. You can click this alarm or you can acknowledge here directly. No problem. So, if you click this alarm, so this one it will appear. So, it's the same. So, you just click this one. Click. And click alarm silence. So, now it's closed. So, you have no air pressure on the line. So, click this 076 button. Digito. So, this is the one. So, this is the same. So, your next requirements. Secure seawater system. So, the student must be able to secure seawater system. Secure the valve to seawater system. So, this is seawater system. So, click this 001 button. See? So, you can, if you don't know here, if you forget, you can click also process directory and you can click this seawater system. So, as you can see here, seawater system is, you can see now. So, you can also, what we call this, directly click the 001 button to go to seawater system. So, this is your seawater system. So, you have to close this digito press water cooler. So, this one, this bulb. Now, right-click this bulb. Look at my cursor. Right-click. So, your next requirements is secure LO system and drain sump tank. The student must be able to secure the following. So, DG LO filters, DG priming pump, control and breaker. The student must be able to drain the sump tank to the lowest level. So, you will proceed to the lube oil system. So, click this process directory. You can also this process directory. You can also click process overview. So, click digito. This is your digito. Look at my cursor. So, you have to what we call secure the lube oil system. So, this circuit here is a lube oil system. So, the yellow color here. So, you have to secure. So, first, you have to right-click this one, both in manual, and right-click this pre-lubricating pump. So, as you can see here, you have no pressure. So, close DGLO filters. So, right-click this. DGLO filters, inlet filters, inlet valve filters, or right-click. Now, so DG priming pump control and breaker. So, later on. So, we will first drain. So, drain The student must be able to drain the sump tank to its lowest level. So now you have to open this valve, this sludge tank. So left click and then put this left click this one, this valve, so that you will drain. So as you can see here, the level of your sump tank is going down. So you drain to sump tank. As you can see here, there is a flow 12.59. So just acknowledge the alarm, no problem. So click and alarm silence. Click alarm silence. Look at my cursor. So now is no more oil in your sump tank. Then you have to stop this one. Right click this low oil pre-lubricating pump. Stop, and then close this drain valve to sump tank. So right click. So now your next requirements is to secure the breaker. So you have to go to your process directory and then click the main switchboard feeders. Look at my cursor. So left click. So look at here the what we call the pre-lubricating pump, low oil pre-lubricating pump. So red. So you cannot find here. So you will go to starter because you cannot find here. So click process directory and go to main switchboard starter. So low oil priming pump. Low oil priming pump. So where is that low oil priming pump? We come back to feeder. Feeder. Digital low oil priming pump. So there is no low oil priming pump. As you can see here, no low oil priming pump. You see? No low oil priming pump. You see? So check one more time and starter. Low oil priming pump. Here. So you cannot see. You cannot see. There is no low oil priming pump breaker. So supposedly you only put this auto into manual because there is no low well priming pump. You cannot see. So you cannot see the well priming pump breaker. So just put this one in manual. So your next requirements is number 10. Secure preheater. The student must be able to secure the automatic control and switch. So preheater. So this is your preheater. So just switch off. So you just put first in manual. So put in manual the preheater and switch off. So now your engine is ready for overhauling. Your Digito is ready for overhauling. Digito. So your Digito is ready for overhauling. So now I stop my video here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please click like and share. Please click notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.